Hello, my name is Shane Baldwin from Jack On ERA. Welcome to 456 Pine Grove Road, a pre-Civil War home on 69 acres that borders the Susquehanna Greenway and the Susquehanna River. And on the other side of us we have 213 acres. Well, if you like nature, this is the place for you. The owner has cataloged over 200 species of birds here, with turkeys, foxes, and deer roaming constantly. We'd love to take you on a tour of the property. Give me a call, Shane Baldwin, at 717-577-3448, or reach me at my email at shane.baldwin@jgr.com. Thank you.